we'll be guiding you on how to purchase cryptocurrency using the SafePal app. Let's get started by opening the SafePal app on your phone. Once inside, you'll land on Wallet page. To buy crypto, head over to the Market tab. You can find it at the bottom of your screen along with a few other options there. Tap on Market. Once you're in, you'll see BTC and ETH at the top, followed by categories like favorites, all, hot, new, and memes. To buy crypto, choose all sections. From there, you'll see a list of all available cryptocurrencies. Select the one you'd like to buy and tap on it. At the bottom, you'll notice the option to swap or trade. In this case, select trade. In the trade section, you'll see how much USDT you can use to purchase crypto and the corresponding amount of cryptocurrency you'll receive. Make sure you're in the buy tab, as the sell tab is usually selected by default. Tap buy, which will be highlighted in green. Now, enter the price you are willing to pay in the price field. Below that, you'll see the amount of BTC or the selected cryptocurrency you'll receive. The total amount will automatically update, showing how much crypto you'll get based on your input. Once you've double-checked all the details, including the price, the amount of crypto you want, and the total, simply tap buy BTC or whichever crypto you are purchasing. As long as your balance is sufficient, your crypto purchase will be processed. And that's it. You've now learned how to easily buy crypto using the SafePal app. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.